Let us make soft goli bhaji. Welcome to Home of Taste Veg Recipes. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup of gram flour, 6 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, salt per taste, chopped chili and curry leaves. Take a bowl, sieve maida and gram flour. In another bowl, add half a glass of water, sugar, salt and mix well. Now, add baking soda, chili and curry leaves to the flour mix and mix well. Then add dissolved sugar and salt water and mix well. Add water if it's required. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Let the batter have thick consistency. Then keep aside for 6 to 8 hours for fermentation. After fermentation, heat oil in a pan and make small balls of the batter by dipping your hand in water. Fry neatly in a medium flame. Serve it with chutney. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, haven't subscribed, please subscribe, press the bell icon for your notifications.